There's a place I love the best, it's so different from the rest, just an isle across the balmy ocean blue. It's the land of paradise, neath the tropic summer skies. Now listen and I'll spell it out for you. A stands for dear aloha, L for the laughter and smile. O is for out in the Pacific where the angels built the tropic isles. H is for dear old Honolulu, far across the ocean blue. And A just means aloha, and aloha means I love you. On that sunny little isle where the hula girlies smile and the ocean blue is rolling all day long. If you ever chance to stray where the ukuleles play, aloha oi will echo in their song.